Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful tips on how to learn English faster, more easily, and with more fun. Whether you're just starting or you've been trying for a while, these methods will help you see real progress. So grab a notebook and let's dive right in. Tip 1. Learn English through things you love. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to study English in a boring way. If you don't enjoy the process, your brain will resist learning. So here's what you should do. Think about what you already love: movies, music, video games, cooking, sports, and bring English into that. For example, if you love listening to music, pick English songs, read the lyrics, sing along, and even try translating them. This way, you're not studying, you're living English, and that's how you remember it better. Tip 2. Watch TV shows and movies with subtitles. Movies and TV shows are a goldmine for learning real, natural English. Here's how to do it step by step. First, watch with subtitles in your language, just to understand the story. Then, watch again with English subtitles. Now you'll start connecting words with sounds. Finally, try watching without any subtitles. Challenging, but powerful. You'll be amazed how much your listening skills will improve after just a few weeks. Tip 3. Practice every day, even a little. Consistency is more important than how long you study. You don't need 3 hours a day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of focused practice is enough. If you do it every day, learning English is like going to the gym. Small, regular workouts build real strength, so make it a habit. Learn 5 new words every morning. Listen to a short English podcast before bed. Little by little, you'll become stronger without even realizing it. Tip 4. Speak without fear of mistakes. The truth is, everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language, even native speakers. Don't wait until your English is perfect to start speaking. Start now. Even if you only know a few words, speak to yourself. Record yourself reading simple sentences. Join online English communities where beginners practice together. Every mistake is actually a victory, because it means you're learning something new. Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. Finally, try to bring English into your everyday world. Change your phone settings to English. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to yourself about what you're doing. I am making coffee now. The more English becomes part of your life, the faster your brain accepts it as normal. Final words. Learning English fast doesn't mean rushing. It means being smart, staying consistent, and making English part of your life. Remember, it's okay to feel frustrated sometimes. Every small step you take is building your future success. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me which tip you're going to try first. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.